Hey everybody, Big Eagle here. I figure it's a good time for everybody to meet the star of the show, basically. And that's this beauty right here. That's my 2024 Kawasaki KLR 650 adventure bike. It didn't come like you see it. I put a lot of modifications on it. But that's her. She's a beauty. So I thought I'd just run through it with for everybody to see what I ride. It's 650 cc's adventure bike. I added a bunch of stuff to it. As you can see, I put the luggage on, which is pretty cool. I like it. It's hard cases. I just added that big long brake light on the back there. Makes it nice and visible. Can't miss that. What else did I do? Oh, I put these stickers on all over. I thought it was kind of cute. But, zombie outbreak response unit. I got some up top here too. Oh, that's a cute one. But, yeah, that's great. And yeah, what else have I done? Oh, I put the crash bars on. So these weren't on before. Crash bars. I got a cup holder. Of course I need a cup holder. And a cell phone holder. Put different mirrors on. That's not what came with it. These are better mirrors. And it's got the crash bar in the back here. This thing here, I got that put on so I can put the hard cases on. And one kind of cool thing I did here, I made this side into a little cooler. And it actually, I tried it out the last weekend. That's the one video you saw with my tent. And a couple of bottles of ice in there. And boy, it kept everything nice and cool. And rigid insulation. Kept everything nice and cool, and it works like a dam. So that's a good thing. I can have put my eggs in there and a little bit of milk and stuff like that. Yeah. So that's her. That's me bike. Oh yeah, I added these auxiliary lights in the front. Boy, do they light up the road when it's dark. Looks like a freight train coming down the road. But yeah, oh, I added this little port here for the USB to charge the phone, and my Garmin. I got my Garmin that sits up there too. But yeah, it's a pretty neat bike. I like it a lot. Gonna have lots of fun with this thing. Anyways, I just thought I'd introduce everybody to my ride. And please subscribe. Anybody that sees this, please subscribe, because it helps me out and I can make better videos and stuff. And I'm working on it. Be patient. They'll come. Okay, it's Big Eagle signing off. Have a great day, everybody. Well, I'm here. I'm camping with my bike. So far, so good. I got my little tent set up here. I didn't film anything like that because it took me a while to figure it out. But yeah, I got my sleeping bag in there with my pillow. Got a line up here. It's perfect. I'll just put my little chair down here and be able to cook, do all my stuff. Yeah, it's not bad. Not bad at all. Gonna get some wood. Gonna get some wood tonight. And mind you, it was cold coming up here. This is Alouette, Gold Creek.